Hi everyone. So today I'm doing a tarot reading for the collective. I am sensing a strong message about the fact that for whoever this reading is resonating with, the divine is very happy at how focused you are right now. You could be someone who is a star in the making. Even if you're not someone who is seeking long-term fame, you are definitely someone who is manifesting long-term success in your life. The success that is coming into your life is long lasting. You are going to be making a huge name for yourself if you're someone who has great fame attached to you in the future. You could be a huge international star as well. This could be someone who's listening to this pile or someone who's a local star, but quite important in your own community. Now, we have to remember that not everybody wants fame, and that's fine. Whatever you desire and want is manifesting for you right now because of the fact that how focused you are, and the divine is very happy with you. One more thing is that the reason why you are a very strong manifester right now of great things and great success is because you're choosing to focus on joy and happiness. You could be smiling more. Even let's say you're thrown in painful situations, you're choosing to create your own happiness. At the end of the day, we're all faced with choices in our lives. And you could be someone who's just enjoying the current moment that you're in. You're not thinking about the past, you're not feeling anxious about the future, you're just focused on the current moment. You could be someone who is indulging in hobbies. Maybe someone here is very creative, whoever is listening to this reading. Perhaps you're a dancer, perhaps you're a singer, you could be an artist, you might be even listening to even more music than usual. There's this concept of upward spiral that could be happening in your life right now. It means that when you start your day, you're starting your day with a positive mindset, and that brings in more positivity, happiness, and joy in your life. And so it's one day that's going great, and which is spiraling into the next day, and then a whole week, and then a whole month, and a whole year of you choosing to be positive and happy. Because you see, life happens to everyone, right? Not every day is going to be sunshine and butterflies, but you are the one who is choosing to focus on, even if there's one good thing that has happened to you the entire day, you're choosing to focus on that. And that is exactly why the divine is very, very happy to you. You have to remember that the divine loves a stubborn hearted person. A stubborn hearted person who, not stubborn in the sense that being stubborn for silly reasons, but being stubborn about being successful in your life. That is when the divine starts truly cooperating with you and you become a co creator of your reality. There's also a very strong message about learning to transmute energy. You see, alchemy is all about, which is spiritual alchemy, is all about you taking all of the shady energy that is being thrown to you and using love to completely transform that energy into something that is beneficial for you. So let's say someone is sending you an evil eye energy because they don't like you, or they're talking crap about you, or they're gossiping about you, whatever it is. And you can, because you're very spiritual, you are feeling that energy. You're telling the divine that, you know what, please help me transmute and change this energy into something that is beneficial. So, an energy which is financially beneficial for me, or something that is bringing me peace or happiness. And that is what spiritual alchemy is all about. You can look it up. I'll leave some links in the description box, and even in the comment section. Because of the fact that transmutation of energy is about converting negativity into positivity, love and gratitude. These two emotions, I would say, are very huge transmuters of negativity into positive energies. Love and gratitude are very high vibing emotions, right? And if you're focused on love and gratitude, you will be focusing on the positive, no matter how tough things may seem on the surface. You could also be someone who is right now holding back from giving to people who are seemingly in their user energy. So maybe you're holding back from giving to users and abusers, which also could have a financial angle, which means that you could be saving money and not really investing in situations and people who are narcissistic, who are users, who really are of no good to you. People who are draining you of your financial resources also, and also emotional resources. Because at the end of the day, we have limited F's to give to people, pardon my French, but we have limited fucks to give to people, and we can't just go around spreading our energy thin, right? So maybe right now, someone who's listening to this current message, tarot message, needs to invest very carefully. Be very careful where you're investing your money. Read all of the documents properly. I don't know why this is a very random message that came in. You could also be right now focusing on self-care activities, or if you haven't done that, you could be feeling the need to do that, which is great actually. I would suggest focusing on your root chakra and your sacral chakra. You could listen to guided meditations, or you could listen to sound baths, and I'll leave the links in the description box. You could look up those links. You can read about, why healing the root chakra and the sacral chakra is very important. Root chakra is tied to foundation, money, resources. Sacral chakra is tied to your creative energy. You could be embodying the energy of the Queen of Wands in tarot, which is right now you could be dynamic, very charming. You could be in your fun-loving energy. And remember, when you're in that light-hearted energy, when your inner child is happy, when you're indulging in hobbies and taking care of yourself, indulging in self-care activities, that is when life becomes easier. And then the upward spiral happens. Things start becoming easy for you. Things start becoming much more light for you. There's no heavy energy inside you and around you. So that's it for this video. It's a very short video, but I really had to congratulate you, whoever is going to listen to this video, that the divine is very, very happy about the self-focus, the growth mentality that you're operating in, the growth mindset that you have right now, the kind of strong boundaries that you're having right now at this point of time. The divine is really happy about it. You're not engaging in activities that could lower your vibration, and for that I really salute you, because all of this takes self-discipline. It's not very easy, but the fact that you are doing it and you're standing on business is something that is something that needs to be recognized and respected. And even the divine is respecting that energy. That's it for this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button, and I will be putting more pick-a-pile tarot readings and readings for the collective as well. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.